Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you a voice changing app called Voicemod that is for free, and it essentially allows you to change your voice in a plethora of platforms. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your preferable web browser and just type in voicemod.net. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below to just make things quicker. And I'm just going to click on Get Voicemod for free. Now, by the way, I just want to clear something up. Just like with the previous episode where I did about CapCut, there's a free version and there is a paid version. So just wanted to let you know, guys. By the way, this works on a bunch of platforms, including Discord. As you can see, they're listed right here. Discord, Zoom, Google Meet, Minecraft, WhatsApp Desktop, Overwatch, Fortnite, and a bunch of other apps. So this is amazing, to be completely honest. Never really seen an app that offers this much for free. So let's click on Get Voicemod for free. It'll then take you to this page where it'll tell you that you need to log in. So I'm just gonna click on enter with Google. You can log in with whatever account you want. So I'm just gonna choose my account here, and I'm just gonna click on continue. Thanks for joining the Voicemod community. Download started. So now it's gonna finally start downloading the app. We'll just give it a quick second here, and then it should appear on the top right corner. Yep, there we are. Now I'm just gonna wait a little bit because this will take a little bit. So I'll come back once it's done. All right, now as you can see, it's finally done. So we just click on this button right here, which will open up the installation wizard. It's going to give you a UAC prompt. Just click yes. So just click on the language you want. So I'm just going to click on English. I clicked OK. And just give it a few seconds here. There it is, set up for Voicemod. So click on next, accept the agreement. I don't think you're gonna read all this, so just click next. I'm just gonna change this to a specific place. So I changed it to directory here, but you can keep it to the default if you want to, just wherever you want it to be. So this gives us two options to create a desktop shortcut, which I will do. Create a quick launch shortcut. I'm just gonna untick that and click on next, and there we go. It's gonna give you a bunch of information about what you've done. So this is what I chose, so click on install. And now it's installing the app, so give it again a few seconds and it should be done. And the reason why it muted for a little bit is because it was installing a little program that will modify your microphone so that this app can actually work. So that's why you heard me muted for a little bit, or I probably will edit that bit out. So yeah, there we go, completing the Voicemod installation wizard. So of course launch Voicemod. So now it's launching everything. There we go. So click on get started. It's going to open up a Chrome tab and plug in your headphones for the ultimate sound vibe. So click next. So this is your audio. You can change it to whatever you like. I'm just going to keep it on default settings. Start using Voicemod. So it opened up, by the way, this Chrome tab. So nothing really much here. So now, as you can see, it says here connected to OBS 64, which is the recording software I'm actually using right now. So here we are. Now, like all the other tutorials that I do, I don't get too much into detail. This is my first time using this program, so I'm learning with you guys. Just want to let you guys know that. So let's begin from the left. So here at Discover, which leads you to this tab right here, search bar here. I've got voices, so it gives you like a bunch of free voices you could use. In addition to this, like I said in the beginning, you can also pay to get extra sounds. So these are the ones that you have to pay for, and to do that you just click on Get Pro. And by the way, it also tells you that free voices do change every 24 hours or so. These are these sounds that you can actually use. So I don't know if these are if I can actually use these. These might be copyrighted or something. I have no idea. Now let's move on to the real deal, which are the soundboards that you're going to be using. This is what you're going to be using for the most part. So let's click on today's free voices. So voice enhancer, magic chords, narrator. Let's click on voice enhancer. Test your voice.
There we go. Hello. So it's now testing my voice.
Yeah. Magic chords. This might work as well. I'm not sure.
Here, low.
Oh wow, that's actually amazing. Click on banana, and this is where, of course, you hear yourself. Okay, that's embarrassing, but alright. It played a honk sound. Alright, we got amazing. That's absolutely amazing. So, unfortunately, we don't have a lot to do here. Since I just, installed it, there are a few free voices you could use, and this is an empty soundboard here. You could keep adding from your own computer, so you could browse the files that you have on your computer, and if you have any audio, you could put it right here and make your own soundboard. That's really nice. The good ones, unfortunately, are, I'm afraid, are pro, so you have to pay for them. Now, there isn't really much to do here. Like I said, this could be used in Discord, OBS, as you can see, it says connected to OBS. Let's move on to favorites, which if you want to, for example, go here. Let's go back to soundboards, and you want to add, a certain sound to your favorites. So you just hover over it. So we just click on favorite. It's very simple. And if I go to my favorites, obviously they're going to appear. So voices and sound, so just sound effects. Voice Lab, which is, unfortunately, again, a Voicemod Pro feature. This is just, I guess, a demonstration video. I'm not really sure. I can't use this because this this is for Voicemod Pro. Let's move down here to my soundboard. So as you can see, this is my first soundboard. So this is my first soundboard. So if I click on these three dots, I can add the details, so I can change the name. So I'm just gonna write my soundboard. It doesn't necessarily have to say that it's my first soundboard. We can delete the soundboard altogether, and we can add content to it, or we could just click on here. So if I click on add, I could just click on upload sound, and then upload my own sound from my directory right here. So it found one audio, but I'm not gonna use it. I can also keep adding existing content. So this is just I can add it from anywhere, which is nice, to be honest, really nice. So you can add these from community sounds, which let me just go back here and show you what that actually means. Community sounds, which are these right here. I'm not gonna play them in case if they're on copyright strike, so I genuinely don't know. Like I was saying, under here we have the voice changer. So this is where you turn the voice changer on or off. So when you click on, it's gonna appear right here. Voice inspector changes the pitch of the voice. So you can change the pitch of the voice. And you can also pin this, so I'm just going to unpin it. I click on this little arrow right here, and it's going to pin it for me. And I can also reset the entire setting. So we'll go back to these very settings that I put. So if I change it, we'll click reset, it's going to come back. So I already clicked on this button before. It makes basically I hear myself.
So now I'm hearing myself. When I click on the voice changer,
it changes the voice from less than that.
so that's all there is to it.
Settings. So this is where obviously you change your microphone input and your headphones output. So it also tells the frequency of the voice, you could say. General. So this, again, I'm just gonna run through these settings very quickly. Launch at startup. So I don't think I'm gonna turn that off, obviously. By the way, you don't have to keep this on or off. It's up to your decision. But to make Windows faster, you just have to turn off like a lot of startup apps. Set Voicemod microphone at default. So these are some keybinds or keyboard shortcuts or whatever you want to call them. And for each one, you kind of add your own keybind. So if I click on add keybind and I press on a certain keyboard, like for example backspace, it's gonna say back. So when I press on back, it's gonna mute or unmute my mic. Click on X here so that the keybind is removed. And finally, controller, which essentially lets you control Voicemod just from your phone. I mean, it's written right here, so it just gives you a set of steps right here that you need to follow in order for that to work. Or you could just scan this code, but I'm gonna blur it in case I don't know. Okay, so that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you.